Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter here again out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And before we get started, as usual, I ask everyone to hit that subscribe button down below if you're not uh, uh, connected with me in my funnels or just receiving my videos as I record them. Hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so you can be alerted the next time I make a video. Most of my videos, of course, are about marketing online and online marketing tools and tools that you can use to market your product or your programs online. And I also promote my business that I'm involved with as far as the postcard business I'm with right now, and a marketing system that I use to promote even the postcard business. I mail out postcards at home, and I promote it online as well. But one thing about marketing online, your purpose is to uh, show people what you are marketing. You want to be connected with those people, and you want to build a subscribers list. In other words, a contact list where you can contact those people, and you don't want to just put your message out there just once. You want them to see your products, your programs continually. And this is one good way that you can put your products in front of their faces quite often, not just bombard them every day with your products, but you want to stay connected and send them information about how you are doing with your products, how you are growing with the program that you are involved with. And of course, the way you're going to do that through these marketing systems is called a autoresponder. And autoresponder is the way that your messages will go out to your subscribers are one that has subscribed to your list uh, uh, to get more information about what you're promoting or what you're doing online or from home. And one of the best autoresponders that I know of is Getresponse. It's a great marketing tool that I use, and the reason I say that because they are one of a kind that will get your message out there into your subscribers' inbox. A lot of the marketing system I've used, they promote they have an autoresponder, but their autoresponder send out messages and they all end up in in the junk mail, and a lot of people just go directly to their junk mail to delete their junk mail. They don't go through what's in the junk mail. A lot of people do, but most people just delete. If when I say junk, I mean spam. When people go to their spam box, they normally just delete every spam that has come across in their spam box. So you want your messages to be delivered directly to your subscribers' inbox. Not saying every subscriber that subscribe to your pages are going to be legit or give you a legitimate email address. Some people just put in their address, put in a fake email address just to see what you are doing or what you have to offer. And if they like it, uh, join or whatever. But we're not looking for those. We call them tie kickers anyway, just jumping around trying to find this program or that program to get involved with. We want people to really see what we are offering them, and we want them to be really interested. We don't need anyone just to see what we're doing, just to be curious about what we're doing. We want them to be curious, but we want them to be curious enough to subscribe with the right email address. So GetResponse is a great tool to use, and I love it because I'm involved with different marketing systems, especially one like the one I'm using now. And I'm using Getresponse. I'm using this system to promote Getresponse. But anyway, Getresponse is a marketing system that I joined, and I'm just putting it to you as I go forward in using it. And I have created my lists. I have different lists that I have, but you can come over and learn how to create your list. You want to create your autoresponder follow-up messages inside of your list. Over here, you can go to menu, and all of this you have your tools. You have email marketing, autoresponders, and all this is taught to you how you can use what these are all about: automation, webinars, chats, convergent funnels and landing pages, forms and paid ads. And, you just have different things that you can come over here and learn about. And it's not, when I first started, I thought it was going to be just confusing, but it's not that confusing. You come over here and learn what to do about starting your list and starting your autoresponder. Let's look at autoresponders. This is the way I build my autoresponder. I go to autoresponder and then I create an autoresponder. You can create it from here, and you're gonna create your newsletter or you create your autoresponder here. Autoresponder is just follow up messages that you will create to go out on the day that you want them to go out. And the newsletter is like an email blast when you want to just blast out to your list. You're gonna create a newsletter, and it will send that message directly out to your subscribers. But anyway, you just come over here and just if you have any questions, you can always uh, do a query on what to do. You can go over here to help, and you can go here to a live chat, a help center. You can email them. But anyway, you have different videos on teaching you how to set up your autoresponder, how to use Getresponse, and since I've come over here and joined Getresponse, I love it. I love it. Right here, you go over here, you click this uh, tag up here, and you can just go through. You can watch the tool video, and you just come over here and learn how to use it, and this will be effective in your marketing. I love it. Here's one that I have created. Partner with Marlon. This is my landing page. A landing page is where what you're gonna use to draw in your subscriber. Let's take a look at. You see this right here? Partner up with Marlon. That's my domain. You can click on partnerupwithmarlon.com, and you can find out what I'm doing from home. Work from home by mailing out postcards, and that's what I do. Uh, and just if you want to join up with me on Partner Up with Marlon, mailing out postcards, go to my domain, partnerupwithmarlon.com, and find out what I'm doing as far as working from home, mailing out postcards. But the bottom line is you can create a page like this, and then down here, if my subscribers come in, they can put their name and email address there and click. Then they become a part of my list and Getresponse. Then I can send them messages through newsletter. I can create a newsletter and send it out to them, or they can be a part of the autoresponders messages that I have created for as far as a follow up with partner with Marlon. Right here, this is my follow up messages right here. Let's click on it and see what you create your messages, and this is one that I have created, and you can set it out for what day you want it to go out. Zero mean it's going to go out the same day. Subscribe, and that's just a glimpse of what I have going as far as uh, uh, Getresponse. I love Getresponse, and that's why I'm promoting it to you today. You can click here, and it will take you over to Getresponse, and you can go up here, and you can click on Start Now. It say Get Your Business Online with Getresponse Free Forever Plan. Start now. It's free. You don't have to go inside your wallet to bring out your credit card. It's free to join. And all you have to do is click the Start Now button and create your account. And it doesn't cost you nothing to go in there to learn about how you can be more effective in your marketing with Getresponse. Get this this page I create. I love creating pages to promote my business and affiliate programs. Getresponse is one of my affiliated programs. If you decide to upgrade to use it more often and get more, be more efficient in promoting your business opportunity or your product, then I will make a commission just like you would if you introduce someone else to it. Get your own email marketing system with Getresponse. Getresponse is one of the best marketing system I know of. And just click there, and then you're on your way. My name is the Elder Marlon Carter. I'm a gospel preacher out of Dallas, Texas. And I would like for you all to enjoy your Christmas. This is the year of 2021, December. It's the 24th of December. Tomorrow is Christmas. This is Christmas Eve. You can't tell by the weather because it's going to be 80 degrees today. When I was a child, every day in December looked like it was snow right up to Christmas. But anyway, whatever time it is in your neighborhood, you all enjoy it. Enjoy your Christmas and be well. Stay safe on the highways, at home. And God bless you. And we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye bye now.